Hi, and welcome back to the Big White training series. In the previous video, you were given the 4 steps to make working with the Big White easy. You now have the basics in place and can easily handle the catalog. The Big White has been a trusted partner of the installer for many years. And during our conversations with installers, we learned that the catalog has its value on a commercial level as well. Let me take you back to practice. The installer gets a call on his phone from a customer to get help during a renovation. You want to remodel a specific room and want to add new lighting to an existing power point there and also install new outlets. The installer visits the customer with the Big White to discuss the options. The customer has already done some inspiration on social media, so she is eager to browse through the catalog. The installer and the customer continue the conversation, and it is agreed that they can indicate per page where their interest lies for the fixtures. For the installer, there are a number of advantages in this. The customer immediately sees nice application photos. She sees the gross sales price of the fixtures. She sees the different options in color and sizes. The installer wraps up the conversation and leaves the catalog to browse at their leisure. The installer comes by and the customer has indicated with post-its which item she is interested in, and the installer takes the catalog to his workshop and starts preparing the quote. You've now seen the most common practice situation with the Big White. This is a process that has worked well for years and is appreciated by our customers. But we've seen another scenario come up a lot recent years. Let me take you through working with the digital catalog. The installer picks up his phone and has the customer on the line with a cosmetic store of her own. She already actually has in mind what she wants and sends some pictures to the installer via WhatsApp. The installer selects a few pages from the digital catalog and forwards them to the customer. They agree that the installer will come by 1 week later to discuss. Before the meeting, the customer sends some photos that she may also like, and the digital catalog is updated as desired. During the visit, they look at the selection of products on a laptop and tips are given to consider. You've now seen the most common scenarios we've heard from our installers. Have you experienced any other benefits during the sales process with your end customer? Now let us know below this video and we will hopefully see you again at the next Big White training video. Take care. Bye-bye.